Okay, I'm seriously blown away by who liked one of my videos this morning on my Instagram. Have a look at it, check it out. It's epic. No, it's legendary. So I woke up this morning and was just checking my socials, and obviously this came up almost immediately on my Instagram. So I have Mr. Neil Patrick Harris liking my video. And Chico Bean, I'm not sure he is, but he has over 2.6 million followers on Instagram. So yeah, it's so cool. So the video is this one here, the most feared creature in the Indian Ocean, or in the ocean actually, because I filmed this off the coast of Mauritius. I'll put the full video at the end of this one here. So I was like, beautiful, visuals was amazing. I went down, I saw the triggerfish swimming there. Normally you have to be quite wary of them because they can actually bite you. And I started playing in the sand to attract him over, and he came over and was like really chilled. He was just really curious as to what I was doing, and maybe I was going to dig up something for him to eat. And then he came right up to my GoPro, and you can see those teeth. They are designed to crush coral. So if they take a bite out of you, you're going to bleed a lot. But he came right up there, and he was like, I think he saw his reflection in the GoPro, and he actually came up and like bit the lens right there. And then he's like, that wasn't tasty. But I mean, you see, the visibility was perfect. Everything just sort of lined up for this, and just comes in sideways like that. Yeah, I'm not sure. It wasn't aggressive or anything. It was like that. So it was such an epic experience. But then to wake up this morning and see this, I mean, he's like one of my favorite actors of all time. But just like so chuffed. It's just like, wow, super chuffed. So Neil Patrick Harris just made my week. Hell, made my month, made my year. I'll be talking about this forever. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And Neil Patrick Harris, legendary.